Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily add more questions to your forms in Monday.com. So let's start. When you're here, what you want to do is this is pretty simple. So you got in main table, and when you're gonna click on form here, you're gonna see, okay, we got the name, status, date, and update in my form. When I'm going to click main table, I can see person, status, and date. What you need to do is one thing, just add a column right here in your main table. Let's name it text, and let's just rename it what's your favorite food, right? This is what we would get here. And now I would go to form and it will automatically appear here. So then I would just enable it to see, and answer will be written here. So as you can see, this is how you can simply add more questions, more whatever. So I would just rename it like that. Go to main table, and voila, here we have it. Again, when I would add here, I don't know, number, favorite number. Again, I would go to form, and voila, here we got it. It's automatically showed here, and I would just add a question here and people can answer. I would preview it. See, and this is how you can get more questions in your form in Monday.com. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See you.